Hey cuties, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we're gonna see about menstrual cup. Every single questions, every woman have doubt about it. So does it happen? Really, if it is comfortable, like many questions about it. So I'm gonna answer every single questions people ask in Google. Like in Google, many questions will be there now. So I'm gathered every questions and I'm gonna answer you guys. So already I have uploaded a video, my first experience on menstrual cup. So if you didn't watch it, so go and watch it. I'll be giving the cards in, and also in description I'll be giving. So go and watch it, the video. And the first question is that does the blood go inside again if you lay down? So if you lay like this, will the blood go inside again into your body or not? That's the question of actually. Never, it doesn't go inside because the cervix don't leave the blood to go inside because water is different and blood is different. So water have the density, low density of that liquidity, and blood have thickness, so it doesn't go inside. And also cervix don't leave that inside because cervix just leave the blood outside only, it won't take inside. And also it won't never go inside, so just don't worry about it. The second question is, does it hurt? Actually it doesn't hurt if you insert it properly. If you don't insert it properly, it really pains a lot. So I experienced it because the first time when I'm inserting it, it really pains so much. When first time, very first time I inserted it, I was wrong inserted it, and it really pained so much. And only when I corrected the insertion, it was feeling nothing. Like I didn't inserted nothing like that. It was feeling so comfortable and everything. It doesn't hurt if you insert properly. So insert properly. Does it really so much comfortable? So every people who use menstrual cup says, so it's so comfortable, oh my god, I love it, oh my god, like that they'll be saying. So this is really comfortable. Yes, obviously it's so comfortable. That's why I'm saying, I'm making videos on it. So every woman in the world can know about it, and they'll start using it, and it doesn't pollute the earth too. It can be used 10 years. So what the size for beginners is small size, that's it. Don't go for medium or large, it doesn't suit you and you will be losing your money only. So you have to buy small only again. So don't go for medium or large, go for small first. Can you sleep with menstrual cup? Yes, obviously you can sleep with menstrual cup. And I have done overnight test for the first time. I was trying menstrual cup. It doesn't leak or do anything. So you can sleep with menstrual cup and it doesn't go inside also. No worries about that. So start using it. Is it safe to use? Yes, obviously it's safe to use. I'm saying this much about it. Why it's not safe? It's made about medical grade silicone and everything is pakka perfect. So how often should you empty the cup is when you have heavy periods. Like first day you should empty it within 4 to 6 hours, and when you have light periods, when you go when your period is going to end is when you use for 10 to 12 hours. That's the time you use it. Don't use it for more than 12 hours, it's not safe. Can heavy periods girls use it? Yes, there is no light periods girls can use it, heavy periods girls can use it. Normally 15, your one periods the blood liquid is 30 to 50 ml, I think so. I don't know, I'm not sure. 30 ml I think so. And one cup, small cup is 15 ml. So obviously you can use it. There is no big edge. So cloths. So if you have cloths, it is okay to use menstrual cup. It is a great thing to use menstrual cup if you have cloths. There is no only yes. So what are the sizes available are small, medium and large. These three are the sizes available in menstrual cup. So ways to insert it. The C-fold. I'll be uploading a picture. That's the only thing I recommend to do. Not different things to do. That's the easiest thing, and every people mostly do that fold only to insert it. So try that one. Does virgin can use it or not? This is a question many women ask. Like so many of them will be thinking this is the most awkward question. What she is asking? What the fuck? Like that they'll be asking. So this is not that like everything should be talked now. So this is not like that. You can use it. If you are virgin, you can use it. There's not anything between like you're virgin, you should not use it. Nothing. You can use it. So can I swim with it? So you can swim with it. So actually I want to share an incident. So what's that is when I was studying 10th standard, there was a trip to Kishkinda, water amusement park, and I was like getting scared. Oh my god, my periods are gonna come. And actually that's the days my periods are nearing, and I was like, what if my period comes? Oh my god, I was scaring. So I can't play now. So that's why. And finally I didn't got periods that day, but I was worrying so much, like literally so much I was worrying. So you don't need to worry if you use this cup. So it's really great. You can go anywhere, vacation, wherever you want. It's like it feels nothing. It doesn't feel like periods. And next question is, how often should I replace it? So moreover it lasts for 10 years. So 10 years of minimum 10 years or maximum 15 years you can replace it. So it is biodegradable, so you cannot like pollute the earth. So it's so eco-friendly, you can use it. So how long should you boil the menstrual cup? So before using it you should boil it. So first I'm saying that. And how long you should boil it is 5 to 7 minutes. That's it. That's the maximum time you can boil it. That's it. So in what material the menstrual cup is made is silicone, medical grade silicone. So you have to know this because you're inserting it, getting the menstrual cup inside your body. So you have to know all this, and only then you should use it. You should not use anything before knowing anything about it. So know about it. Medical grade silicone it is. It is so safe. So best menstrual cups to use are Sirona, Sanfi and P-Safe. So these are the best menstrual cup I recommend. I really saw people using it in YouTube videos only I saw. So they say it's okay, it's awesome, comfortable. So even myself I use Sirona. So that's really comfortable. This is not sponsored video. So use it. Just how it exactly feels when you wear a menstrual cup is, it feels like little thing, like something is inside a vagina. When we are not doing any work, if you are doing any work, it doesn't feel anything. It feels like you are not in periods. So comfortable. Oh my god, I use it for first time and I'm loving it. I'm gonna use it forever. The menstrual cups. Is it safe to use? Yes, obviously it's safe to use. I'm saying this much about it. Why it's not safe? It's made about medical grade silicone and everything is pakka, perfect. Can diabetic, that's people who have sugar, you can use it? Obviously they can use. If they can use pads, why can't they use menstrual cup? Because nowadays everyone getting diabetic. Like even a small kid who's studying 6th standard gets diabetic. So you can use it. If you can use pads, why can't you use menstrual cup? You can use it. What are the things I should not do while I'm wearing menstrual cups are, I can do anything like cycling, swimming, yoga, blah blah blah, anything I can do. It's really so amazing now. With low cost I can do anything so comfortably. So how often should you sterilize it? It means first day when you get periods, you're gonna use it. You are having that cup, you're gonna take and boil it and you start using it. First day, second day, third day, how much every day, then still 10 days you have if you have. And when your period is ending, you should sterilize it, boil it, and you should keep in that place. That's it. So does your vagina lose its elasticity? So it doesn't lose elasticity when you use for multiple times. It doesn't lose its elasticity. So don't worry about it. So does it have expiry date? No, it doesn't have expiry date. So you can use it for 10 years to 15 years and then you can throw it. So after that you yourself you won't willing to use it. If menstrual cup is so good, why people are not using it or not aware about it? Because there is not awareness like this. If I'm saying about it, will be like getting to know about this. Okay, this is good. can use it. They are not that much awareness about it, and also not ads about it. If pads means even 1 minute there will be lots of ads in television. Use it pads. This pads. This are so much good. Sorry about my mouth mistakes because of these phrases. I can't talk properly. So mortify for that. that is the problem. Awareness, there is no awareness about it, and people are scared of using it. So don't be scared, just start using it. If pads are not hygiene, so you will able to know that always will be feeling the wetness of that odor, smell, everything. So even though why pads are in that position is because of the financial thing, commercial thing, economical enthusiasts. Because if you buy pads, you won't be buying anything for the rest of the 10 years, and there'll be no trade for them. There'll be no profit now for that. And also people are using it because there are tons and tons of ads about it. So start using menstrual cup. It will be good for environment or also for yourself, your comfort, everything. So thanks for watching this video. Hope this video helps you and makes you to use menstrual cup and be environmental friendly, and also it helps you for being comfort in your period times, and also you can enjoy a vacation without any worries of stains and smells, odor, anything. And most important thing I want to say about is price of the menstrual cup is starts from 300 to even 1000. It has been there, so you can buy in 300. I bought from 300 from Serona, for 300 from Serona are best brands of India, so you can also buy from Serona. Be safe or Stanfy. So that's it. You can use this for 300 for 10 years, or you can also buy pads every periods, 100 rupees every period. It will be one day you'll be using 4 pads, or in 1 week you'll be using at least 100, and also for 10 years at least you'll be using. Hope this video helps you and makes your mind to use it and feel your comfort. So enjoy your periods now. Happy periods. Bye bye. See you next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. No, I should not beg for subscribe. Please subscribe. This is rude and please subscribe to my channel. So see you next video. Bye bye. See you. Hey cuties. Hey cuties. Hey cuties. So in what material?